Hey people, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Let's start with the sixth episode. In today's video, first I'll help you discover some Indian brands that you use in your daily life. Second, I'll tell you the answers, winner, and new questions of the challenge. And third, a new way of answering the challenge.
One day, a boy was watching TV. He heard about Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is buy things from Indian companies. He kept thinking,
Are there any Indian brands that I use? How do I find out?
suddenly a genie appeared.
I can help you with this.
Why not? Let's get started.
So tell me, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, obviously.
Okay, great. So let's find out some Indian toothpaste brands.
Sure, why not?
Kid, let's first identify these toothpaste brands.
In sequence, I think they are Dabur, Patanjali, I think Himalaya. Oh, these two I know. This one is Colgate and this one is Sensodyne.
Wonderful. Now, which of them are Indian? Why don't you help the boy with this question? Take a guess. From all these brands, the Indian brands are Dabur, Patanjali, and Himalaya. Wasn't that interesting?
Oh, yes, it was.
So, what do you do after that?
So I freshen up and change my clothes for online classes.
Okay, interesting. So, let's find out some Indian clothing brands. First, let's identify these clothing brands.
I think the first one is Louis Vuitton. The second one, my father wears it a lot, it is Peter England. The third one, I think, is Louis Philippe. And the fourth one is H&M.
Okay, great. Now, which of these brands are Indian? Why don't you help the boy with this question? Take a guess. Well, the Indian brands are Peter England, your father's favorite, and Louis Philippe. So, learn something new?
Yes, indeed.
Okay. So, what do you do next?
I take online classes on my laptop.
Okay. So, let's quickly look at some of the Indian laptop brands. Please identify these laptop brands.
I think the first one is Apple, the second one is Asus, the third one is HCL, and the fourth one is Micromax.
Okay. Now, which of these brands are Indian? Why don't you help the boy with this question? Take a guess. The Indian brands here are HCL and Micromax. Liking it?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So, what do you do next?
I help my father in washing clothes with the washing machine.
So let's find out some Indian washing machine brands. Now identify these washing machine brands.
Oh, we have the first one, that is IFB. The second one is Samsung. The third one is Godrej. And the fourth one is LG.
Excellent. Good job. Now which of these are Indian? Why don't you help the boy with this question? Take a guess. Here, the Indian brands are IFB and Godrej.
Thank you so much. I learned a lot of new stuff.
My pleasure. You're welcome, my son.
We should all support Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vocal for Local.
This not only increases the GDP of the country, but it also makes it less dependent on imports. So, Never mind being vocal for local.
That was all for Atmanirbhar Bharat for today. Now it is time for answers, winner, and new questions of the challenge, and the new way of answering the challenge questions. Answers to previous challenge questions. The first question was, make this equation correct by moving only two matchsticks. This can be done by moving the two circled matches to these new positions circled in green. The second question was, Punky opened a new shop where he sells flour. He sells bags ranging from 1 kg to 10 kg. He is only allowed to buy 4 weights. Which 4 weights should he buy to measure all bags between 1 kg to 10 kg? There are two answers to this question. The first is having one weight of 1, 2, 3 and 4 kg each. And the second is of having one weight of 5 and 1 kg each and two weights of 2 kg. Here is the winner of the fifth challenge. The person with the quickest and correct response is Abhinav Sood. Congratulations! Another smart lad with the correct answer is Vatsal Lakhotia. He also got the voucher for the bonus challenge this time. But now the bonus challenge is over. Here are the challenge questions for today. Question 1. Which of these AC brands is not Indian? A. Voltas, B. Mitsubishi and C. Lloyd. Question 2. Which Indian drink started as a medicine for dehydration and its name literally means soul refresher? It is now a very famous summer beverage. New way to answer challenge questions. From now on, you just need to put the answers in the comment section. Your answer would not show until the next video is released so that the fun is not spoiled for everyone. I would still get your answer. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And most importantly, share the video with your friends.